Hi guys, so I'm here to share my nail secret with you. I found these nails on Amazon like over a year now and I'm just wearing them. Well, this is actually my third set. This is how it looks. It's backward, but I think it's Lady Ying. Gorgeous. The colors. My first tip is to try your best to not get your hands wet. I suggest doing it overnight. Do it when you're going to bed. The glue will get time to basically set and to get hard. The next tip is to cut them down. Wear them short like this. If you wear it tall, likely they will bend. When you cut them like this, you're less likely to run into trouble with them, like falling off. Really like that. Especially this set. I don't know if it's because it's kind of dark, but people like them. Let me try and get the oil off my fingers. This is how they look. They're matte. I've been wearing these 10 days now. 10 straight days. Nothing fell off. They're all intact. Perfect. And they're affordable. And as I said, you get 8 sets. And they last 2 weeks plus. So you can do the math. Like, guarantee you love them. Give them a try. Whether you're trying to just rest your nails, or you love press-ons, or you just want to do your own self-care, thingy at home, these nails are perfect. This is not an ad. Like, I found these on my own and I'm loving them. Actually, I bought them from 2022 and I'm just now wearing them and I'm loving it. I think I actually cracked the code with this one. Like, look at these. They look so cute to me, especially, how they look natural. They kind of give off like a little gel vibe. I really like them. So if you're trying to save some money, copy one of these. Like, you'll love it. I promise. The glue that is included is top tier. Try it before you buy any other glue. That's the nail glue I use and I've had no issues with it. Like, they look so cute. This is the third set I've been wearing and I've gotten the most amount of compliments wearing this. So yeah, you can give it a try and tell me how it goes. I'll have the link below if you're interested.